Hi students, today will be class number 14 in science. It will be about balanced diet and nutrients. So, it will be our way to eat to have energy. Okay, so let's begin. By definition, what is balanced diet? A balanced diet means getting the right types and amounts of foods and drinks to supply nutrition and energy for maintaining body cells, tissues, and organs, and for supporting normal growth and development. So, the food pyramids that will give an idea how to eat. So, this food pyramid is based on 2000 calorie diet. Okay, 2000 calorie diet. These are the categories of nutrients: grain, vegetation, fruits, milk, and meat and beans and oils that our body needs. So here, for oils, most fat should be from fish, nuts, and vegetable oils. We need to limit solid fats such as butter, margarine, or lard. So keep consumption of saturated fats, trans fats, and sodium low. And choose foods low in added sugar. So recommended nutrient intakes at 12 calorie level can be found on mypyramid.gov. This is as a website if you want to have more information. So what about exercise? Adults should be physically active for at least 30 minutes most day of the week. Children for 60 minutes. So 60 to 90 minutes of daily physical activity may be needed to prevent weight gain or sustain weight loss. So now we will speak about nutrients. There is two types of nutrients. So major are the protein, carbohydrate, and fats. Two microminerals: calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, selenium. Vitamins A, D, E, K, C, B group, and water. So the proteins, let's begin. They help in tissue and muscle building, boost up immunity, helps to maintain fluid balance, healing, deficiency, muscle wasting, weight gain, poor immunity, and low HB. Sources: milk and milk products, soya bean, beans, dals, egg, chicken, and fish. Now the carbohydrate, energy giving compound necessary for daily activity, necessary for proper working of brain, heart, nervous tissue. Two types are carbohydrate: A, simple refined food, refined flour and glucose. B, complex like fiber. So the foods such as bread, legumes, rice, pasta, and starchy vegetable contain complex carbohydrate. So role of fiber: helps in weight reduction, proper bowel movement, and healthy intestine. Sources of carbohydrate are wheat, oats, grains, vegetables, whole cereals, and pulses, such fruits too. What happens if it's in excess or in low? Excess: weight gain, diabetes mellitus, insulin resistance, hypertriglyceridemia, CAD, deficiency like constipation, low mental performance, and ketoacidosis. So if there is excess, we'll give this, and if there is deficiency, they will give this. So the fats. The main function is to give energy, important for transport of vitamins A, D, and K. Covered organs acts as insulators to our vital organs like our heart, kidney, and liver. Types of fats: saturated and unsaturated. Saturated solid at room temperature: ghee, butter, coconut oil. This is bad for our health. Unsaturated liquid at room temperature: omega-3 fatty acid, omega-6 fatty acid, good for our health. The sources of fats: olive oil, rice bran oil, soybean oil, groundnut oil, and mustard oil. Good sources of omega-3 fatty acid: almonds, fish, and walnuts. Deficiency: vitamin deficiency, dry skin, nervous disorder, excess in fats, weight gain, elevated blood lipid level, and CAD. So RDA for major nutrients: carbohydrate 65% of our total diet, protein 1 gram per kilo of body weight, fats 3 to 40 sp oil and 1 to sp ghee. So this is the major nutrients per day. So what if your daily diet lack all these nutrients? So this is what will cause. It leads to a condition called protein energy malnutrition, simple called as malnutrition. In MDHA YA Pradesh alone, about 43% children are malnourished. It includes upper middle class children also. Cases of cancer has increased twofold. Reason: lack of fiber in diet. So what's the remedy? Inclusion of protein supplements in our diet, inclusion of high fiber supplements and food in diet. So we have macrominerals and trace minerals that are macrominerals: potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iodine, and sodium. And trace minerals are copper, iron, fluorine, fluoride, and zinc. Okay, so this is the class of today. Just to remember you again that you need to read the lesson that you have with you, the text of the lesson, to be able to answer the question. So the class of today is an extension of the lesson that you have, okay, to have more information. So if you have any question, please let me know, and good luck. Bye bye.